How to leave a room on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to leave a room, or if you're trying to get away from unwanted chat rooms, then it is super quick and easy to leave. First of all, open your email application and make sure that you find the group or a room you want to leave. I'm here in this group over here. If I want to leave out of the room, then all you need to do is to go to the top right corner and tap on the cross icon. Now tap the leave button at the top right corner and you'll be able to leave the room. After leaving, you will no longer receive messages or notifications from that room. So whether it is too noisy, inactive, or no longer useful for you, you can easily leave a room on email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.